Hello, I'm Aanchal Ojha, a second year electronics and communication engineering student from Bennett University. To start with, most of the Gen Zs out there must know that last year there was this trend where we were talking about our worst experiences of 2025. But I know for a fact that I won't mention Bennett in that list ever. The academics, the co curricular exposure, and the friends I've made, they have actually shaped my life journey in a great way possible. From academics point of view, the Department of Electronics truly stands out. The faculty members, they are very approachable and supportive. We have structured labs which demand our focus and energy, but in return we get to build a solid practical foundation. We have regularly planned vivas and quizzes which help us assess where we stand and encourage our improvement. So, overall, Bennett has the right balance of academics, co curriculars, exposure, and growth, making it the best place possible for aspiring engineers. Thank you.